Hi guys, in today's video we'll be exploring the top 5 best business laptops you can get right now. After extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options for different types of buyers, whether it's performance, price, or specific needs. I've included links in the description box down below with updated prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The Apple MacBook Air 15-inch with the M3 chip is a versatile business laptop that combines sleek design with powerful performance. Designed to cater to a range of users, from casual users to professionals, it is lightweight yet capable of handling both daily tasks and more demanding workflows with ease. At the heart of the MacBook Air 15 is the Apple M3 chip, an 8-core CPU coupled with a 10-core GPU and a 16-core neural engine. This hardware combination not only boosts processing speed but also enhances machine learning capabilities, making it a strong choice for complex multitasking scenarios. The 15.3-inch Liquid Retina display with a 2880 by 1864 resolution offers vibrant visuals, supported by True Tone technology and a brightness of 500 nits. The display's 1 billion color range delivers impressive clarity and accuracy, making it ideal for creative work and media consumption. Memory configurations allow up to 16 GB of unified memory, while storage options start at 512 GB SSD and go up to 2 TB. Battery life is a standout feature, with up to 18 hours of usage on a single charge, making it highly suitable for on-the-go productivity. Connectivity options include 2 Thunderbolt USB 4 ports, a MagSafe charging port, and Wi-Fi 6E support for faster internet speeds. Enhanced audio with 6 speakers and spatial audio, along with a 1080p FaceTime HD camera, makes video calls and multimedia experiences more immersive. Running on macOS Sonoma, the laptop seamlessly integrates with other Apple devices, creating a unified user experience. For professionals needing both mobility and power, the Apple MacBook Air 15-inch with the M3 chip is an exceptional choice, blending performance, battery longevity, and portability at a competitive price. The HP Spectre X360 is a sophisticated, versatile device designed for both productivity and creative tasks. Combining powerful performance with a sleek and eco-friendly design, this laptop is ideal for professionals who need flexibility and efficiency in one device. At the core of the Spectre X360 is the Intel Core i7-12700H processor, part of the Intel Evo platform, which features 14 cores for optimized multitasking and power efficiency. With 16 GB of LPDDR4X RAM and a 512 GB SSD, it ensures smooth operation for demanding tasks, from video editing to heavy multitasking. The laptop's 16-inch 3K Plus touchscreen display is one of its standout features, offering high-resolution visuals with Corning Gorilla Glass protection for added durability. The 2-in-1 design allows the laptop to convert into multiple modes: laptop, tablet, stand, and tent, catering to a variety of workflows. Additionally, the laptop includes an MPP 2.0 tilt pen for precision input, enhancing creativity and note-taking capabilities. Battery life extends up to 17 hours, supported by fast-charging technology that quickly recharges when power is low. For connectivity, the Spectre X360 is equipped with Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports, a USB-A port, a headphone microphone jack, and a microSD card reader. Audio quality is immersive, with quad-bang Lufsen tuned speakers and an HP TrueVision IR camera with a privacy shutter supports Windows Hello login for added security. In summary, the HP Spectre X360 2-in-1 laptop is a premium choice for users seeking a powerful, flexible device. Its blend of high performance, convertible design, and long-lasting battery makes it a compelling option for business and creative work alike. The MSI Prestige 13 AI Plus Evo is a premium ultra-thin laptop crafted for professionals needing high performance in a portable design. Powered by the Intel Core Ultra 7 258V processor, this model offers exceptional processing power paired with 32 GB of LPDDR5X memory and a spacious 2 TB NVMe SSD, making it well-suited for multitasking and data-intensive applications. With Intel Arc graphics, it also supports visual tasks like graphic design and video editing, ensuring smooth performance across creative workflows. The 13.3-inch 2.8K OLED display is a standout feature, delivering vibrant visuals with 100% DCI-P3 color accuracy and VISA Display HDR 500 True Black certification. This high-resolution display is ideal for color-critical work and provides deep contrast and clarity. Connectivity is comprehensive, featuring dual Thunderbolt 4 ports, a USB 3.2 Type-A port, HDMI 2.1, Wi-Fi 7, and Bluetooth 5.4, making it easy to connect peripherals and support high-speed data transfer. The laptop includes innovative AI features through the MSI AI engine, which optimizes performance and battery life based on usage. Additionally, Copilot Plus offers an AI assistant that helps with tasks like drafting emails, document summarization, and creative content generation. Built with a magnesium aluminum alloy chassis, the laptop is durable, thin, and lightweight, ideal for professionals on the move. Battery life is long-lasting, with fast charging support to keep productivity uninterrupted. With DTS audio processing and a refined durable design, the MSI Prestige 13 AI Plus Evo combines powerful performance with AI-enhanced usability, providing an excellent balance for users who need a reliable, stylish, and portable device for demanding tasks. The Lenovo ThinkPad E16 Gen 1 is a business laptop designed to offer high performance and essential features tailored for professional use. Powered by Intel's 13th generation Core i5-1335U processor, it features a hybrid architecture with 2 performance cores and 4 efficient cores, enabling seamless multitasking and efficient power management. This model is ideal for professionals who need a robust, reliable device for productivity, balancing both performance and portability. The laptop comes equipped with a 16-inch Full HD+ 1920 by 1200 IPS display, featuring a 16:10 aspect ratio and 300 nits brightness, providing clear visuals in different lighting conditions. It boasts 40 GB of DDR4 RAM and a 1TB PCIe NVMe SSD, delivering ample memory and storage for multitasking and file access speed. Integrated Intel Iris Xe graphics supports standard graphical needs, while Windows 11 Pro offers a modern, secure operating system. Designed with durability in mind, the laptop has an aluminum top cover and an ABS plastic base, maintaining a professional and rugged build. Its keyboard is spill-resistant and includes a numeric keypad for enhanced usability, particularly in data-heavy tasks. The laptop also provides versatile connectivity with 2 USB-C ports, including 1 Thunderbolt 4, 2 USB-A ports, HDMI 2.1, and RJ45 Ethernet port, and a headphone mic combo jack. It supports Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2, offering flexible options for both wired and wireless connectivity. With a choice of 47 or 57 watt-hours batteries, this model achieves up to 12 hours of usage on a full charge, while rapid charge technology enables 80% charging in just an hour. Overall, the Lenovo ThinkPad E16 Gen 1 is an excellent choice for professionals seeking dependable performance, comprehensive connectivity, and a durable design suitable for business applications. The Dell Inspiron 14 is a highly adaptable and powerful 2-in-1 business laptop tailored for productivity and multitasking. Powered by an Intel Core i7-150U processor with 10 cores and 12 threads, it efficiently handles demanding tasks, from complex workflows to creative projects. Equipped with 64 GB of DDR5 RAM and a large 2 TB PCIe NVMe SSD, this laptop ensures fast performance and ample storage for files, applications, and media. The 14-inch Full HD+ 1920 by 1200 touchscreen display offers sharp visuals with vibrant color accuracy, supported by Comfort View technology to reduce eye strain during extended use. As a 2-in-1 convertible device, the Inspiron 14 transitions between laptop, tent, stand, and tablet modes, adapting easily to presentations, content viewing, and interactive tasks. The included active stylus pen enables precise note-taking and drawing, enhancing the tablet experience for creative professionals. With a robust aluminum chassis, backlit keyboard, and fingerprint reader, the laptop balances style, durability, and security. Enhanced with Dolby Atmos audio and an Full HD webcam with dual microphones, it provides clear video and sound quality for virtual meetings. Connectivity options are extensive, including Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth, 2 USB Type-C 3.2 Gen 2, and HDMI 1.4, ensuring compatibility with various peripherals and fast data transfer. Overall, the Dell Inspiron 14 2-in-1 is an excellent choice for business professionals and multitaskers needing flexibility, performance, and a high-quality display in a portable package.